लड़ाई के परिणाम के बारे में भी मेरे मन में कोई संदेह नहीं है। हमारी विजय निश्चित है और हम विजयी होकर दिखाएंगे।
The heart of every Indian beats with pride. As this Kargil Divas, India celebrates 26 years of valor and sacrifice of our armed forces in the Battle of 1999, when Indian troops reclaimed the heights of Kargil with unwavering resolve. In 1999, Vijay's gritty infantry battles in icy heights of Kargil had crushed Pakistan's intrusions. And 26 years later, less has changed for Pakistan when in Operation Sindoor, swift and surgical airstrikes devastated Pakistan's terror camps and airfields. More than 2 decades apart, Operation Vijay and Operation Sindoor have showcased parallels of India's unyielding resolve against Pakistan's provocations and state-sponsored terrorism. Republic exclusively reports from Dras in Kargil this Vijay Divas and explains the inside story of the 1999 battle.
Ramachan viewpoint, and from this very point one can see all those peaks where the Battle of Kargil was fought. This battle was fought between India and Pakistan, and the aim was to evict those intruders who were dominating these heights. I'll ask my VJ Firdos to focus and show you through the panoramic view how the peaks look like. These are the peaks where the Battle of Kargil was fought, be it the Tolo Link or the other peaks, as the India has adopted a multi-pronged strategy approach to overcome the challenges of 1999 of Kargil War. Small, highly trained units conducted frontal and flanking attacks to dislodge the enemy from their fronted positions. Units like the Gorkha Rifles, Rajputana Rifle, Ladakh Scouts definitely played a pivotal roles.
In the Kargil War, Pakistan had planned to cut off the Srinagar-Leh highway, a crucial supply route for Indian forces in Ladakh and Siachen, which was a key objective denied by the Indian Army.
Road here is the Srinagar to Leh highway, viewers, and this is very important. We'll show you this road, and as far as the Kargil war is concerned, it becomes of utmost significance. Now this road, viewers, and this is of course a very scenic view. The Srinagar Leh highway is a vital supply route for India, and Pakistan aimed to cut off this highway by occupying strategic peaks along the line of control so as to hamper Indian military operations and supply lines in this region, viewers. As you can see, this is of course a very scenic area, just like most parts of the valley, or I would say all parts of the valley. And in Kargil war, of course, this entire stretch becomes very, very important when we talk about the Kargil war.
A day prior to Kargil Divas, Republic attended the Gauravmay Sanskriti at Dras event that showcased the new age technological incubations done by the Indian Army.
Honor the sacrifices made by the heroes of Kargil war. The Indian Army is displaying you that how technology plays an important role in today's world, be it the world of medicine, education or the war. We are showing you the display of the drone. This is a mesmerizing drone show that is in the sky to honor the brave Kargil warriors on this anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas.
In a show of respect to the courage of our soldiers who laid down their lives for their motherland, a ceremony was held at dusk prior to the commemoration.
It is a tribute to the fallen soldiers and also to celebrate their victory and their valor. As my VJ can show you the visuals that are coming from the Dras Memorial here, where you see the families of these martyrs who had come together to lit lamp. These countless lamps lit to symbolize eternal gratitude, remembrance and respect for India's brave heroes. The atmosphere here is reverent and patriotic, with flickering flames illuminating the memorial in the crisp mountain air.
In an emotive moment, in memory of those who laid their lives, there is a golden wall at the memorial with names of our soldiers etched in history. In bold written on the wall are the words, "Beneath this earth, young warriors sleep."
It's inscripted here on this wall because the young warriors who sleep beneath this earth, their valor etched in every stone of Dras. A salute to the immortals of Kargil. The memorial here stands as a solemn reminder of their courage and unwavering commitment to the nation. Their legacy lives on, forever immortalizing in the mountains they defended. Their name, as my VJ is showing you, their names shine under the eternal flame.
Speaking to Republic, family members of the martyrs spoke of their pride and pain simultaneously.
फील तो फ़ख्र हो रहा है कि अपने देश के लिए शहीद हो गए और इतनी अच्छी जगह पे अपने देश के लिए लड़ते लड़ते सम्मानित करते हैं, तब भी अच्छा लगता है। लेकिन उसके पीछे बहुत बड़े दुख छुपे हुए हैं जो 26 सालों का दुख पूरा नहीं हो सकता।
I basically don't remember much about him because I was very small at that time. I was just 13 years old, and he used to come for his holidays, basically 2 months in a year. So I just have a vivid experience with him. Okay, very less. But what we used to do was we used to communicate through letters. We used to write letters to each other. Individually, like me and my sister, individually we used to write letter to him, and individually we used to get the reply. It was not like as a whole, like family. Yeah. For my mother it was different, for my sister it was different, and for me it was different. So basically, like, it was a proud moment.
Even 26 years later, the stories of the valor of our soldiers fill every Indian with pride. At Tololing, Major Rajesh Adhikari led his men under relentless fire, refusing to give up despite grave injuries. On Tiger Hill, soldiers scaled near impossible heights in the dead of night to reclaim the peak in a daring assault that changed the tide of the war. At point 4875, Captain Vikram Batra etched his name in history with his fearless charge and immortal words, "Ye dil mange more," before laying down his life.
ये दिल मांगे मोर।
These men endured not just bullets but the wrath of nature, bone-chilling winds, sub-zero temperatures, and oxygen levels that tested endurance at every breath.
We are at Sando Top, lesser known top, but it is one of the crucial and the strategic top. It is from here you get a vantage view of the national highway. From my right you see the Tiger Hill. Tiger Hill, which was recaptured by Indian Army, and where there was a call by Captain Vikram Batra, "Ye dil mange more." This is the point. This is the Tiger Hill that was recaptured by the Indian Army in 1999. Similarly, if we talk about this Sando Top, it is crucial for cutting the supplies. Pakistan tried to cut the supplies because of the national highway in NH1 Srinagar Ladakh, which was very crucial for maintaining the supply lines, for maintaining the reinforcements. Then you see the Trishul. Just between these two ridges is the Trishul top, where again the Indian Army is dominating. These tops were used by the enemy to monitor Indian troops' movement and transport arms mules to forward areas.
Operations Vijay and Sindoor, both sparked by Pakistan's miscalculated aggression, saw India's firepower Bofors then and indigenous BrahMos now, securing two definitive victories back to back giving lessons in inconsistency to the Western neighbor. At the Kargil Divas, India's Chief of Army Staff spoke at length about the valor of Indian soldiers in Kargil and even during Operation Sindoor. At a moment when India celebrates the 26th year of Operation Vijay, lessons from Operation Sindoor have changed India's strategic doctrine forever. In such times, when India's patience is being tested, the choice of words from Air Marshal A.K. Bharti speak louder in spirit as guiding for all Indians.
तो मैं बस आपको रामचरितमानस की एक कुछ पंक्ति याद दिलाऊंगा, आप समझ जाएंगे। तो याद कीजिए वो पंक्ति जो है, विनय न माने जलधि जड़, भय 3 दिन बीत, बोले राम सकोप तब, भय बिन होए न प्रीत। तो समझदार के लिए इशारा ही काफी।
As Republic reports exclusively from Dras, we pay our homage to our brave men who laid down their lives in service of their motherland. To all, a very proud Vijay Divas. Jai Hind.